How to fix PS5 error codes. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix PS5 error codes, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are actually 10 or 11 different type of PS5 error codes that starts with WS, from CE errors to NP errors and other PS5 error codes. There are actually many more than that. Now you could have these errors depending upon what kind of PS5 you're using, what kind of console, where are you using, and many of the other factors also play a reason. But here are some of the steps that I can give you that you can use to always avoid this sort of errors. The first is always to make sure that you're using a proper Wi-Fi or LAN internet connection, because if your internet is not configured properly, you could be facing issues. The other is simply come to your storage and always making sure that you have enough storage on PS5 to run. So just make sure that you have enough free space, like at least 100 or 50 gigabytes of free storage for the PS5 to run smoothly. The other is always making sure that your system is up to date. So go to system software, check if your system has an update, and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now sometimes the issue could not only be software related but also hardware related, such as your PS5 is not working, you're having drift issues, or maybe you're having your disk issues as well. In that case, just try to make sure to wipe off the disk and insert a new CD if you'd like. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically fix PS5 error codes. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.